Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Fixing CMD says Python not found error. Introduction. Encountering an error where CMD, command prompt, states Python not found can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to execute Python scripts or commands. This error usually occurs when the system is unable to locate the Python interpreter in its environment variables. Fortunately, resolving this issue is relatively straightforward, and this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Verify Python installation. Before proceeding, ensure that Python is correctly installed on your system. You can do this by opening CMD and typing the following command. If Python is installed, this command will display the installed Python version. If not, you'll receive an error message indicating that Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Step 2. Add Python to system path. To resolve the Python not found error, you need to add the Python installation directory to the system's path environment variable. Here's how to do it. Step 3. Verify Python installation again. After adding